So before I get started with the video, just showing you what we were dealing with in the afternoon. You could see that there were thunderstorms already developing. This was a severe storm that was over northern New Jersey. And that storm moved closer to us and it moved over the North Shore. You can see there was another storm that was also preceded that fell apart. And then later on, this storm was growing closer. This is again around 2:30 in the afternoon. And then you can see growing closer here. This is viewed from Babylon. You can see the cumulonimbus cloud there. But that, again, went over the North Shore. And a lot of them were going over the North Shore. But the clouds were growing closer. Another cumulus congestus cloud there. And then we started getting really close with the storm that was moved over Manhattan. You could see these billowing clouds in the sky as they were growing closer to us, and really beautiful cloud formations. And that is where I start taking video, as the first storm missed us to the north around 5:30. Okay, hello, welcome to this video. We are looking at thunderstorms. Dinner once again interrupted by severe thunderstorms. We have severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northern Nassau, central Nassau again. Looks like it's going to miss us on the south shore, but we got an actually amazing view of these cloud formations here. Absolutely amazing. I had to get over here to the lake because where I normally go, we got the circus across the street, and they were shouting at me for filming the storm, so shouting at somebody, so I had to go down here. Look at this. This is beautiful. And there's the shelf cloud. Looks like it's going to go. There's still flying planes through it, I see. Still flying planes through it. There's the shelf cloud, though, right there. You can see it. The winds are shifting around now to the northwest. Pretty strong winds. The storm is going to probably miss us just to the north. I did just see lightning ahead. I'm using my camera now because my phone is got issues. Just put it that way. Just don't want to drain my battery too much. Just heard thunder. Well, using the phone again. Yeah, it's going by to the north. I saw like one flash of lightning. It's probably already starting to weaken, so I guess that's going to be it. The sun's coming back out again. So, yeah, I didn't catch it on the camera, but that's going to be it. The storm's passing by to the north, and it already looks like it's starting to weaken. See, there's the rain shield over there. Might get a rainbow from it, perhaps, but the storm is pretty far away. It's north of the expressway. So, radar now. Here's the storm. It's over central Nassau. Just to our north, the storm is. So it's right over there. I'm going to go back into this spot. You can see there's the storm right there. You just refresh that on the radar. Yeah, there it is. It's right over the north. It looks like north of the LAE mainly. But then, over central New Jersey, a second round moved in, and this time it hit where I was located. Well, here's round two. Let's see if we can get anything to happen with this one. right here, but I think I'm going to need to move over there, get a better view, because it's coming from that direction. You can see it right there. This is a somewhat better view of it. The storm is over there. It's over the bay, so it's over the New York Harbor, so it's right over there. It's going to be coming in from the southwest. This is the issue that's been dogging us all day. We've had that southwest to northeast movement, but this one is finally coming off Jersey, and it is coming right toward us. And I'm pretty sure that our area is going to be placed under a severe thunderstorm warning pretty quickly here. As that gets closer, I'm going to want to move to the other spot, all right, because it's getting too close now. All right. Using the camera here just for this photo. We'll put the plane right through it. Winds are really picking up now. Look at that. See the lightning? It's coming right for us, man. Coming right for us. The storm looks really intense. Very strong winds now. Switched over. Gotta take shelter in a moment. The rain is right behind there. All right, we gotta take shelter. Gotta take. All right, there's a building right here. You can take shelter right here from it. All right. Rain. It's starting to rain. Your siren's going off. Look at the wind. It was so dark, right? Got so dark. These winds. At least now I know there's a spot we can take shelter and watch storms here. switch back to the phone. Just wanted to use the camera for better quality, you know. These winds are something, man. Not a whole lot of lightning. Seems like the lightning's died off, but these winds are very impressive. A lot of rain too. Can't go anywhere until this is over. Absolutely no lightning though. A lot of wind. Oh, there's some lightning now. Surrounded by a Faraday cage here, so we'll be safe. Get bugged by mosquitoes, though, despite the rain. There's tons of mosquitoes here. Sure. Here it comes again. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Maybe not. Okay, look at the radar right now as the storms are up. You can see they kind of hit this. These hit the South Shore. The worst part of it looks like it went just to the south of us, but very strong winds with this line. You can see the severe thunderstorm warning in effect. Hear the thunder too. Very impressive thunderstorm. Very impressive. Not the lightning wasn't, but everything else about this storm was pretty damn amazing. Not a ton of lightning with the storm, but definitely a severe thunderstorm with it. Definitely a severe thunderstorm. Those wind gusts were probably 40 to 50 miles an hour. It just keeps raining. I gotta look at the radar. Well, there you go. It took like 5 seconds for the phone to start recording video. But there you go. I moved. Because it's like 7:38. I catch the bus in like a half an hour. See a little bit of lightning up there. I mean, this would have been a better place. Maybe not. I mean, it was a pretty good place to shelter from it, but it's a little far, so that's the only problem. I wanted to get a good view of that cloud coming in. I know I wasn't going to have time to get back over here. The rain is sort of winding up. Slight rain now. Got a little wet running over here, but not too bad. Notice that the drainage is pretty good here, by the way. No big puddles, no floods, and that was a lot of rain. Yeah. Move over to by King Helen, I think. I think the rain is pretty much, it's very light rain right now. We can move over to King Helen now. This, of course, the old Long Island bus depot. Shut down by Nice Bus, it's just sitting here. See, those the CNG. It's a shame they shut this depot down. It's a shame. Never should have been shut down. But this is what it is. We're scaling back bus service in New York and on Long Island. The exact opposite of what we should be doing in this climate crisis. But we've been scaling it back since 2011, 2012, when NICE came in here. So. Well, there's the storm pulling away from us now, so it's pretty impressive that I was able to get a video of it for you. Very impressive. Very impressive. Lightning, not so much, but it had everything else. Definitely a severe thunderstorm, for sure. Now we have a beautiful day tomorrow. That's it.